Kamusta mga teki? In this video, papatara sa inyo paano magbayad ng credit card or ng inyong Landers Maya credit card using your Maya wallet. So, kung wala pa kayong Maya application, so you can download that. Nandiyan lang yung link dyan sa my description box below. So, from here, syempre, kailangan meron tayong balance dito sa ating Maya wallet. And kung wala nga, pwede tayo mag-cash in dyan. So, we can either click this cash in or auto cash in. And you can go to our partners yan, mga BPI, BDO, sa mga banks. Also, pwede nyo rin yung going online. May mga bank transfers dyan. Like, I can go to other e-wallets din. If you have balance sa other e-wallets that you can have it transferred here sa Maya. And also, yan, bank account. So, meron dyan mga online banking, no? So from other online banking app, you can just select Maya and then just fill in the details. So here, ayan, so napakaraming options, no? Ayan, so hindi ka mawala ng pwede mong pag-cash in, no? So napakaraming options. And once nga nandiyan na tayo, ayan, so all we need to do is go here sa cards. Ayan, so meron tayong mga credit cards dito. And ayan, Maya Black credit card, you can apply here. If wala pa kayong credit card, you can apply sa Maya application natin. Okay? So, all you need to do is just click Maya apply now. Ayan. So, napakaraming benefits yan. May Maya miles instantly for every 40 spent. You will earn 1 mile. Multiply your miles. Ayan. Earn 2 times or more. Maya Black preferred brands. Ayan. Pag bumili ka sa mga partnered brands nila. No annual fees for life. So, ito yung maganda dito sa credit cards nila, no? So, no annual fees. Instant application and approval. Ultimate security and control. Ayan, get a cash advance. Ayan, so, inactivity fee. So, pag di mo siya ginagamit, kakaroon ng 50 pesos charge per month. Finance charge, cash advance rate, 3% yan. Ayan, so, yan lang lahat ng details yan nandyan. And also, FAQs yan, nandito na rin. Okay? And yun nga, balik tayo dito sa ating babayaran, no? So, tala tayo dito sa ating card. And, yan, meron tayong limit na ganyan dyan. And, yan nga, makita na rin natin yung mga points natin dyan. So, the more you use this Landers Maya sa ating, sa mga Maya, Maya partners or sa Landers mismo, mas malaki yung points mo. Okay, so you just need to click this pay now. And so there's the minimum. You can either pay in full or pay in minimum. And no interest in purchases on your next bill. You might still see interest charge on cash withdrawals and installments. So just click pay now. Yan. So credit card number, etc. amount, click nyo lang and then yan. Confirm payment. Yan. So walang convenience fee. So yan yung maganda dyan. And dito, mamili ka lang Maya wallet mo or Maya Easy Credit. And ang option lang naman natin is My Wallet. Click lang natin tong pay. And there you go. Yan, may na-receive natin tayo notification from our application. Payment successful. All details are here. Merchant, paid to merchant, paid on, details, and etc. May receipt ka pa. Okay. Yan, reference number kompleto, no? And yan, ay tanahan natin na yung ating limit, bumalik na nga siya sa 0. Ayan, yung available natin na for payment, wala na nga. So, sa payment due, wala na, no payment due. Available balance natin, kompleto na ulit. Okay, so punta lang tayo dito sa rewards. Ayan, so up to 5% at Landers. Kapag nagla-Landers tayo, ayan, may malapit na Landers sa inyo, maganda mamili doon. Tsaka napaka-kompleto na rin naman talaga doon. And yun nga, if you have Landers Maya card, you will get to earn 5% of your purchase there as points, no? So 2% on food and drink. So may mga partners yan. Yan, so yung mga partners yan, 1% for all other spend. Okay, so yan yung... And ang maganda kasi dito, no? Yan, so enjoy only 500 reward for your friends and family to the Landers credit card. So if you want to get these Landers, no, you can just click the link dyan sa ating description. para you can apply here sa Landers Maya. And also you can do this with others. So you can send your link to them para makapag earn din kayo ng extra dyan sa Landers Maya natin na credit card. Yeah, so enjoy 20% off on stays, 5% off on Japan Airlines, and 8% off on Agoda. So kung mahilig kayo mag-travel, no? Pay with your Landers cashback everywhere. Click natin yan. Saan ba natin magagamit yung mga ano natin? Ayan, when you reach minimum 50k total credit card spend. Okay. So, explore rewards. Check natin dyan. Okay, so another promos. Napakaraming promos itong Landers Maya card, no? Get 6% off on Agoda, 3 pesos off at Shell. Ayan, napakaganda, di ba? Kung may kotse kayo and pinumabayad yung credit card, you'll get to have these discounts, no, with Shell. Ayan, win up to 20k SM shopping spree. Ayan, so may mga details yan. And how to use your points as cash pay using your points at any Landers store. So sa Landers store, kapag namili ka, you can use the points na earn mo dito. So you get to earn from them and then you can pay the points to them. Yeah, so you'll pay with Landers points at any Landers with My Terminal. Tell your cashier that you would like to use your Landers points. Tap your card on the terminal after the cashier enters the total amount to pay, and tap your Landers cashback everywhere credit card on the terminal. Choose how many Landers points you'd like to use. Okay, so very easy. If you have the Landers Maya credit card, you can just give it to them. Kailangan din naman talaga nila yan kasi every time you buy or magpipay na sa Landers, they'll ask for your Landers card, and your Landers card is your credit card. So they will scan it bago mag-enter, and they will scan it again once na magbabayad ka na. And yan, makikita mo kung may points ka, you can pay using your points there. Okay, so it's good as cash yung na-earn natin dito. So with 10,000 na binayad natin, no, nag-earn tayo ng 278. So it's not bad, di ba? So ano rin yan, malaki-laki rin yan. And basically, that's it mga ka-techies. Thank you so much for watching. And again, if wala pa kayong Maya application, nandyan lang yung link nyan. And if you want to apply with Maya Landers credit card, nandyan lang rin yung link nyan sa my description box below. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.